We stand on the shoulders of giants. Synthetic biology was made possible by many breakthroughs in science and technology. iGEM relies on foundational technologies to function. BioBricks, RFCs for standardization, high-throughput quality control, and many other processes to run the competition. In the foundational advanced track, teams find novel solutions to technical problems surrounding core synbio technologies that empower future innovation. The team from Marburg, Germany, the 2021 Overgrad Grand Prize winner, created OpenPlast. Their AI-guided prototyping platform opened the door for faster development of genetically engineered crops and plants with synbio. A team from Kaiserslautern in Germany established a modular cloning system in the protozoan Leishmania tarantulae, which will make the expression of human-like glycosylated proteins more feasible and effective. A team from Pennsylvania developed OptoReader, an affordable open-source device that allows for high-throughput reading, writing, and feedback for optogenetics. And a team from Changsha, China, engineered an optogenetic tool for light-mediated control of the cell cycle in mammalian cells, which could enable innovators dealing with complex diseases or fundamental cell biology research. The synthetic biology community needs more enabling technologies. iGEM is creating building blocks of foundational advances will accelerate solutions in the lab.